got some sad news. The FXDX is going to a new owner. We've done everything we wanted to it, built a pretty good bike, if you don't mind me saying myself, but the desire for the new project is strong. So slap in the comments now, pause the video and tell me what you think it is. But the new project is
6.5 hours later.
Did you really think I was going to show you the new bike that easily? We're at Bristol Temple Mead. We've just caught a train from Devon and we are heading on the next part of the journey. We're staying over at Tim's for the evening and getting an airplane in the morning. So stay tuned and let's see what's coming next. Part of the journey is complete and I'm in Portishead with Tim and Carrie eating barbecue food. And look at the size of this rib! Oh my god! 90 odd miles down out of the 1,000 miles we're going to be doing over the next 2 days to go and pick the new bike up.
A lot of beer before a 4 AM start might be a mistake.
He's kind of giving it away, but we need to be at the airport at 4 AM morning. You're still in bed. We're not.
It's 4:45.
I know. We've made bad life choices. That means we're in a van on our way to the airport at 4:45 in the morning for the next leg of our trip. And it's surprisingly busy. Rain, we got coffee, we got stopped in security. I've also realised I've not packed the liner from my waterproof motorcycle jacket, so let's hope it's not cold and raining. Gate 33. We are in Edinburgh. That's where we've flown to. Yes, we are picking a bike up, hopefully, from Edinburgh. So we're going to go meet the guy now, Fergus. Seems like a really cool guy. We've been talking for a while about the bike. So yeah, let's go and find him. And I've got my gear on, which means one thing, we've bought it. So I can reveal, we finally got a road glide from this gentleman, Fergus. Been an absolute gentleman to deal with. Fantastic process, so really over the moon, so I can't thank you enough for that. You've been spot on. Yeah, we're doing a road glide build, so let's see how this goes. So we've got 497 miles to drive back, and apparently it's going to take us 8.5 hours. We are about 60 miles in and she is doing really well. We just we stopped to check the compensator because there was noise, so we just wanted to check whether it was anything detrimental. There's nothing loose, it looks okay, so I'm just going to push on. I think it's probably the typical 07 compensator issue, rattling. So yeah, it looks good. Just drove through some lovely country, through parts of Scotland, so I'm going to put the camera on the helmet for you and get some of that. But yeah, she's going really well. I've got cruise control. Just sit there, sit back, enjoy it. Yeah, going really well. There she is, loaded up. So enjoy some of the footage.
And I still get more, they be bored by the rest. I done put the work in, wasn't born in success. See the storm, it affects the performance. But I dance in the rain and the thunder, the drums. So I keep going hard, I won't stop till I'm done. From the bottom to the top, I'm the one. I can drop in a month, I'll be back at the top. Let's go. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Off the puff, I'm blow the house down. Raw energy. Don't stop, go ahead, get it in. Jump, knock, let me in. Off the puff, I'm blow the house down. Yeah, we blow the house down.
We're back, we did it. We completed the ride. It did so well, it rode so well all the way back. We had a few little issues. One of them, that we had an electrical issue, which we solved fairly quickly, but after the water we went through, I think anyone would have an electrical issue. Huge thanks to Fergus, what a guy. Really genuine, really good guy. Everything he said the bike was, it is, so I'm really happy. What a great base for this project. So that's it now. It's on. Project Performance Stunt Bagger is a go. Watch out over the next couple of months. We are about to change this thing up a hell of a lot. So stick around, like and subscribe so you get the notifications for it. Hang around and let's see what we can make out of this thing. Right. Cheers guys. Bye.